We'll guide you through how to import images in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a great way of going and customizing your game and experience because you can add in your own images. You need to go and publish it to Roblox. So go to the top left and you can press File, go down and press Publish to Roblox As. You can press Create New Game in the bottom left, and you can then go and give this a name. I'll go and name this GRV example, add a description, and you can go and check the rest of it. And then you can go and press enter like so, and it should then go and be published. After you published it, you want to come into the viewer. Now what we're going to do is go and right click, and you want to go and press insert part like so. And as you can see, this is then put in this cube looking thing. Now what we're going to do is go and adjust the size of it so it's basically the size of the image we're adding in. So what you want to do is go to the top left and you can press scale, and you can click and hold, and we can then go and adjust this to our liking. And what you can also do is press move, and you can go and move it as well. Press select again in the top left, and there it is. So you want to then come over to the right and find Explorer, find the part, and press the plus to the right. Here you need to go and type in Surface GUI, should be suggested to you, and you can then go and click on it like so. And within that, press the plus to the right of Surface GUI, and you want to go and type in Image Label, and you can go and click there. Make sure it's selected, and you'll go and see it appears. Now you want to come into Data in Properties, and you want to come to Anchor Point, and you need to go and type in 0.5, 0.5 and press Enter. Next, you want to come down and you need to go and find the option for position. In here, you need to go and set this to 0.5, 0.5, press enter. There it is. Then you want to come down to size and you want to go and type in 1, 0, 1, 0, and you can then go and press enter. Scroll down and find the option for image, which you can then click on, and you need to go and press add image and then press choose file, and you need to go and choose the image you want. You can find it on your computer and press open. Press create, and there it is. You're now going to have gone and imported it.